Ah, tolong. Saya tak sanggup, tak mampu untuk menyaksikan ini. Ya, lama-lama saya bisa gila, guys. Aduh, gak tahan saya. Mau bikin coba itu juga, guys. Ya, kapan-kapan saya ke Malaysia, saya akan langsung bertempur di Malaysia.
One, two, three, come on!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, halo teman-teman semua di sana. Berjumpa lagi hari ini masih bersama saya di sini. Tentunya beserta doa yang baik-baik saya panjatkan kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Kuasa untuk kita semua. Semoga kita dalam keadaan sehat dan segala bentuk aktivitas kegiatan yang kita kerjakan di dalam maupun di luar rumah, malam ataupun siang hari. Semoga juga semuanya diberikan kemudahan kelancaran oleh Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Amin amin ya robbal alamin. Guys, lagi-lagi ini datang dari Malaysia. Sungguh-sungguh sangat berat. Bagi saya guys, jujur, ini adalah sesuatu hal yang amat sangat berat. Apalagi hal ini datang dari Malaysia. Luar biasa berat guys. Berat.
Shopstick Travel and welcome to Malaysia. Today we are just about an hour outside of KL to a small town called Bentong. I've come here specifically to try a famous dish called lemang. It's a coconut sticky rice cooked in bamboo. We've come to this really famous place right off the side of the highway called Toki Lemang. I've been waiting to try this place. It just looks so good. It's going to be a great episode, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. Let's go eat some lemang. So today I'm joined by my two local friends, Lynn and Ian.
Hello.
These guys
Saya
are
nggak bisa
incredible
kayak gini,
musicians. I'm gonna
guys.
put a little sample.
Berat bagi saya. Ya, kayak gini ini sangat amat berat bagi saya guys. Oh, lagi-lagi.
So we're gonna go step by step through the process of making lemang. The first step is to chop the coconuts up. Between 300 and 700 coconuts a day, depending on how many customers.
Sampai
Not for the water, but
700
for
per
the
hari.
meat to make the coconut milk. I'm in the splash zone here, coconut water splash zone. So after those coconuts are cracked in half, they're grinded to get the coconut meat, which is going to be used to make the coconut milk.
Wow. Ini sangat menarik guys. Proses yang ditunggu-tunggu. Gak bisa guys.
It's actually incredible how much milk comes out of that coconut meat. Look at it just pouring out of here. Fresh coconut milk. It smells incredible. So next up, they have a massive pot of glutinous rice that is mixed with the fresh coconut milk. And then they've got all of these bamboo tubes here that are lined with a banana leaf. So the mixture of...
Tunggu guys. Tunggu. Justru ini semakin lama akan semakin mengingatkan saya guys. Karena mungkin ada sebagian dari Anda yang pernah menonton video saya saat makan durian di Bentong. Dan kali ini Mat Saleh sedang berada di Bentong guys. Melihat langsung proses pembuatan lemang di sana. Masya Allah, ini kembali mengingatkan saya guys. Saat perjalanan saya ke Bentong, Raub, dan juga Cameron Highland guys. Lagi-lagi. Apalagi di sini disuguhkan dengan makanan-makanan yang aduh. Nggak kuat guys, nggak kuat. Ini bendera putih ya, bendera putih. Saya nggak tahan guys, nggak kuat. Oke, lanjut.
This rice and coconut milk is filled into the bamboo tubes, and they're going to be cooked right inside of that bamboo. So you get a lot of flavor, not only from the coconut, but from the banana leaf, and not only from that, but also from the bamboo. It's a really traditional and really sustainable using all natural products.
Oh, ini pembuatan lemang langsung dari Bentong.
that scoop method, she's got it down to a science, filling them up super fast. A lot of coconut milk, so it's not just like a little bit of coconut milk and rice, it's like half coconut milk, half rice. And you can see how much bamboo they've got here and back here for tons of orders. It's a Friday, it's quite busy. We're here about 2:30 p.m. and it's just after Friday prayer, so this place is packed out, so they're making the lemang like crazy. So the bamboo is all filled up. Now it's time to put it onto the charcoal and cook it.
Oke, ini proses pemasakannya ya. Jadi dimasak di sini. Ada
So the
bambu
lemang
dimiring-miringkan.
they're placed on an angle over the charcoal and then kind of rotated every once in a while. Look at how many they've got going on right here. All on an open fire, and guess what they're using to light the fire? Coconut. So using all the products here, all pieces of the products after they remove the coconut meat and make the milk, they use the.
Baik, satu hal yang saya dapati lagi guys. Ya. Ini saya yakini menjadi contoh yang baik bagi siapa saja. Yaitu setiap produksi atau apapun itu, ya, termasuk restoran, rumah makan dan lain-lain. Ya. Apalagi di sini kita lihat selalu terlihat bersih, dan bersih, ya. Tadi saat pembelahan atau pengukuran kelapa, tempatnya juga bersih, guys. Dan di sini juga bersih, guys. Very, very clean. Kita bisa melihat. Dan di Malaysia itu ada standar tersendiri untuk kita agar semua konsumen itu merasa puas untuk mencicipi makanan-makanan di sana. Kebersihan adalah satu faktor hal yang paling diutamakan. Oke, kita lanjut, guys. Lai. Oh, ini ada ayam, guys. Ada ayam. Oh. Weh, ayamnya udah besar, guys ya. Paha betul-betul paha yang besar. Aduh. Pusing kepala saya, guys. Pusing. Oh.
So of course the lemang is just the rice that you enjoy with other dishes. They've got many things, but they've also got this beautiful looking chicken with this yellow marinade that they've got right on the charcoal. Look at all these chicken legs here. Oh my gosh.
Harumnya
Looks
sampai
good.
sini
Smells
harumnya
good.
ya.
On charcoal. Super hot back here. I'm sweating like crazy, but worth it.
Aduh. Lemangnya udah
So after
harum,
the lemang is cooked
ditambah
away
bakar
for
ayam yang
a while
harum.
on the charcoal, just chopped it open and you can see the beautiful glutinous sticky rice with
cara
coconut on the
pembukanya
inside,
ya.
and you can see the banana
begini
leaves
cara
still wrapped
pembukanya.
around. You got to peel that away to eat it, but really cool process.
They're really lovely on camera.
Yeah.
Wah. Sangat rapi.
So you can enjoy the lemang with several different side dishes. We've got the rendang
Yeah, and we got the serunding
and
as well.
serunding, which is like a meat floss. Caught on camera.
Serundeng.
That was a good one.
That was close. Almost lost the lemang.
Yeah.
Nah, inilah yang bikin saya tak tahan, guys. Saya tak sanggup, tak mampu untuk menyaksikan ini. Ya, lama-lama saya bisa gila, guys. Aduh, karena penampakan di dalam video ini membuat saya ingin segera langsung meluncur ke Malaysia sekarang juga, guys. Aduh. Saya melihat ada lemang yang begitu diproses sangat rapi dan saya yakin hasilnya juga sangat harum, ditambah dengan bakar ayam dengan bumbu. Aduh, nggak tahan, guys. Lapar. Kita lanjut, Lai.
So we've got the ayam rendang, chicken rendang, and then the serunding, which is like a meat
Serunding,
floss.
aduh.
But you can also get a bunch of other stuff, and let's see if we can also get
Ada rendang
grilled
ayam,
chicken, 'cause that chicken
rendang
right there was
daging, serundeng ya.
That was close,
Oke.
man.
Oh, yeah. Nice one. You caught it on camera, which is, you can just
caught
use
it and caught it on camera.
Yeah.
Wih, lembut ya.
Serunding dah.
Ah. Tolong.
Got it all? Go find a seat.
Look at that.
So sort of cafeteria style, you line up, and this restaurant is just massive, massive. Everybody's sitting down to enjoy the
Ini
lamang.
benar-benar
We ordered up
belum
several
pernah
of
saya
their
coba
dishes.
dengan
I'm really
hal-hal
excited to
yang
try.
begini,
Yeah, let's sit
guys.
here.
We've got pretty much one of everything on their
Yeah.
menu, I think, and they actually ran out of the beef rendang, but they brought us their last one. Apparently, they have one left.
We're lucky.
Didn't know already, rendang has been voted the best food in the world.
Terenak di dunia,
Let's just try it.
rendang
Slow
terenak
down,
di
we gotta try
dunia.
it.
Dan kali ini Mas
Okay,
Saleh
so
sedang
So you
can see
menyantapnya,
it
guys.
comes in a
Bersama
little
dengan
disc,
lemak,
like it was cooked in
lembutnya,
the-
Masya Allah.
Bamboo tube. And I'm gonna go for a little dip in the rendang sauce, that beautiful sauce with so many different spices in there. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Oh wow.
Yum.
Aduh.
Yum. Oh my gosh.
The rendang is very
So
different.
good.
Yeah.
So we're in Pahang State. Things here slightly different flavor than in KL. You were telling me they use a different type of leaf, right?
Yeah.
Langsung terliur,
Yeah.
guys.
So over in KL they use like I don't know what kind of
Langsung
leaf it is,
terliur.
but over here they use banana.
Jatuh
Right.
dia.
The rice is so coconutty.
Aduh, begitu
and, like, creamy.
lembutnya.
Look at it. It's
Yeah.
so sticky.
Yeah.
Dengan
Yum.
bumbu rempah-rempah santan yang
It's such a
harum dan
flavor
juga
that rendang.
ada
That's really
wangi-wangian
interesting.
daun
You got to see
pisang
how it's made.
serta
Yeah, step by step.
bambu.
Yeah, step by step.
Do you know all of the ingredients in rendang?
I was just looking at it.
There's so many different things in it.
Yeah, it was just complicated. And she was
Ditambah
just like,
juga aroma
she's an
rendangnya.
OG. She's been doing it since 2006.
2006, yeah?
Yeah.
It's like a
Nggak ada
little sweet.
lawan ini, guys.
Yeah,
Nggak ada
coconutty.
lawan.
I think with Malay cooking, right, like rendang and all that, it's all like agak, right? With the,
Like
this is
Gordon Ramsay said.
yeah.
Anda juga
Recipe
pasti terliur
is
tengok
from
ini,
my
guys.
mother.
Really?
If you ask me, Aini, how much onion do you put inside? And I'll say, agak-agak. What's agak-agak? Agak-agak is like, up to you, you know?
There's no set like amount of things to put in. It's just
Okay.
like you just kind of feel it.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
okay. So
this
it's like
much of this, this much of that.
just the chef's taste. They've got the announcements going.
Somebody's parking the wrong
Oh,
way.
someone's parked the wrong spot. I hope it's not us. All right, let me try some with the chicken. We got the chicken rendang. We got the beef rendang.
Oh,
I think this
Pak
might
Saleh
be the
makan
best
lemang,
lemang
guys.
that I've ever tasted.
dan bagaimana ekspresinya kita lihat.
It's so good. It's so tender.
Oh,
The lemang is so sticky. Like, look at it sticking to my fingers. It's so glutinous and so rich.
Sticky is good.
It's sweet at first, but then it kind of has a little bit of a spice. The food here is not like Thai level spicy, I wouldn't say.
bisa gila,
But
guys.
it's,
Jadi,
it's still got a nice kind
Aduh.
of heat to it.
It's just enough, you know.
aduh, bukan
Am I
gila
supposed to eat
karena
this with
apa,
my hand?
tapi tergila-gila
Okay,
dengan
good. We're
makanan.
not doing anything wrong.
I'm the
You're the cleanly one? Wow, that was really good, guys. So same thing, but beef rendang, which is
Ini lembut ya,
well, I don't
tengok lah,
know.
guys.
Beef
Ah.
rendang is just as famous as
Lemangnya lembut.
chicken rendang.
Allah,
Yeah,
kita
cubes of beef.
berendang.
Grab that. You can see the pieces of like coconut.
Oh,
It's like the what do they call it?
ada juga
Rumba,
minuman
right?
yang dingin ya.
The sauce, rumba.
rumpa.
Rumba. Rumba. Rumba is the it's also the vacuum cleaner thing that drives you in your head.
Rempah.
Yeah, not that. Rumba.
Rumpa.
Basically, rumpa, like a spice blend.
Yes.
The beef's a little bit like chewier. Not
Yeah,
like
yeah.
chewy, but like it's supposed to be like that. But the chicken's really tender.
It's a good texture, yeah.
Guys, that's so good.
Let's try the serunding.
Okay, I think it's
Serundeng.
probably
It's
Beef
yeah, it's
floss.
shredded pulled beef.
Nah, ini yang
basically.
belum
Okay.
lagi nih, guys.
With-
try it.
Serundeng itu seperti abon
Look at the
atau
texture, though.
ikan
Yeah, it's
bilis
like,
atau macam mana tuh, guys?
I don't want to say pork floss, but it is like pork floss. But there's no,
Kelihatan
no
ya,
pork in it.
sedap.
It's like chicken floss,
Yeah.
pork floss, like yeah.
Nice.
Orang barat pun suka.
It's got a lot of flavor, even though it's like dry
Apalagi
like that.
kita.
Yeah. And it has a bit of sweetness. Oh, this one I think
Tengok lah
is
ini
more
ya.
spicy than the rendang.
This time with this, I can taste the lemang a lot better.
Yeah.
So good. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Smoky,
Aduh, jangan
sweet.
lihatkan lagi, Bang. Jangan lihatkan lagi
Really
sama
tastes
saya.
like the spice inside this thing.
Yeah, it's like a dry spice. So it's
You
Yeah.
want to try one with the sambal? It's called
Sambal
sambal hitam.
hitam.
Sambal hitam.
Sambal
you know,
hitam.
It's a
Pahang
delicacy.
special. Yeah,
Oh yeah,
specialty.
okay, from the state. Is it spicy? It looks spicy.
Aduh, udah jatuh lah ya, Leon.
Let me try. This is so good, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't want to go too heavy on that because I don't know how spicy that is yet.
Bagi kalian yang mau guys, datang sekarang langsung ke Bentong ya.
Oh,
Saya
It's a
karena
lot.
masih di Indonesia
Is it
jadi nggak
spicy?
bisa ke
It's not too
sana
spicy, no.
sekarang.
it's got a dried anchovy flavor. I think some dried fish in there.
Can I try it?
Very umami. Completely coats your mouth in flavor.
Oh,
Yum. Flavors here are so intense, rich. That's spicy.
Yeah.
Slow burn.
Like you're eating salted fish?
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh, but yeah, the spice is like it creeps up on
Yeah,
you.
the spice definitely creeps in. Slow
Yeah.
release.
oh,
Last thing to try, we get the ayam bakar,
Oh.
grilled chicken.
ayam bakar,
And then
ayam bakar,
some,
ayam
I
bakar
guess,
ya, ayam bakar.
Sambal here, right?
Sambal belacan.
Oke.
Belacan. Okay. Let's try.
Oh, terbayang, udah terbayang.
Yeah, the chicken's really good.
Yeah.
So tender. Honestly, I
ayam
would have gone for the
lembut.
beef had they not been sold out.
Oh.
But now I'd recommend the chicken.
Aduh,
the chicken's
lapar,
more
lapar,
tender.
lapar.
The
Tahan,
beef is a
tahan,
little
ya.
tough,
Yeah.
but yeah, I think it's yeah.
But most rendang beef I find is always like that. It's got
Yeah.
like almost like a jerky
Yeah.
toughness to it.
Dan guys, video tidak bisa saya lanjutkan lagi, mohon maaf. Saya tidak bisa meneruskan reaksi ini lagi guys. Saya tidak mampu, saya tidak sanggup, mohon maaf guys. Saya tidak bisa melihat ada penampakan-penampakan seperti ini guys. Ada makanan tersaji begitu rapi, begitu harum, begitu lezat di atas meja itu guys. Aduh, gak gua saya, bikin saya lapar. Sekarang saya makin lapar guys ya. Saya hanya melihat mereka makan di video itu, tapi selera saya pula yang bisa naik ini ya. Ah, tengoklah ini udah mau terliur ini guys ya, baru melihat makanan saja. Dan ini mengingatkan kembali saat momen saya berada di Bentong ya, bersama keluarga saya yang dari Malaysia, Bang Don sekeluarga dan juga Elsa Widianti Putri. Saat itu saya nggak makan ini guys, nggak makan ini. Saya makan durian musangking. Tapi saya juga belum tahu ini ada, ya Allah. Aduh, Mak, tengoklah, lo, Mak, oi, ya. Saksikanlah ini ya, mereka sedang makan lezat ya. Bagaimana melihat satu spesialnya, yaitu adalah menontonkan atau memperlihatkan bagaimana proses pembuatan dari pembelahan kelapa, dikukur, dijadikan santan, dimasak dengan beras dan lain sebagainya. Proses itulah yang mahal, guys. Mahal ya. Nah, tiba saat sudah selesai semua disajikan di depan mata kita, di atas meja disusun rapi dan kita tinggal mencicipinya. Dan saat kita menyaksikan itu dari nol hingga sampai selesai, itu begitu indah rasanya guys. Ya. Lengoklah, lemang ini dimakan dengan apa guys? Dengan apa ya? Dengan rendang, aduh, serundeng, lada hitam, aduh. Nggak kuat saya melihat ini ya, nggak kuat. Tapi ada beberapa hal ya yang saya rangkum di sini. Yang pertama itu adalah kebersihannya. Saya kagum guys. Saya kagum restoran-restoran Malaysia. Bukan hanya video yang pernah saya reaksi, namun saya langsung mendatangi Malaysia. Saya melihat restoran rumah makan di sana itu sangat amat menjaga kebersihan. Bersih guys ya. Jadi orang tidak rasa mual untuk makan ya. Aromanya juga aroma-aroma enak gitu ya, fresh ya, aroma lemon, aroma jeruk. Pokoknya intinya membuat semua orang nyaman makan di sana guys ya. Tentunya kebersihan itu adalah hal yang paling utama. Dan itu juga dapat dijaga oleh orang Malaysia. Betul-betul bersih. Jadi kita makan itu betul-betul lahap ya guys ya. Dan yang kedua itulah keterampilan. Kita lihat keterampilan mereka untuk membuat lemang itu guys ya. Sangat luar biasa. Mereka tahu size-nya, bumbunya, dan kadarnya. Ya, berapa jumlahnya, berapa isi dari santannya, berapa ukuran berasnya, semua sudah mereka pahami. Apalagi saat bikin lemang ya dibalut dengan daun pisang dan juga ada bambu. Itu aromanya ya Allah. Aduh, gak tahan saya mau bikin coba itu juga guys ya. Kapan-kapan saya ke Malaysia, saya akan langsung bertempur di Malaysia untuk bukan bertempur secara militer guys, namun untuk melanglang buana mencari sumber makanan ini di mana posisinya di Bentong ya. Mungkin di tempat-tempat lain ada juga yang menjual hal-hal seperti ini. Tolong Anda komen juga ya guys ya. Dan juga saya nilai adalah ketepatan waktu. Nah, sebelum makan siang ini udah harus siap. Padahal jumlahnya sangat banyak guys. Bahkan kelapa itu dikukur 300 hingga 700 butir per hari. Dan itu tentu harus ada ketepatan waktu. Apabila lewat dari siang, otomatis orang sudah tidak bisa makan di situ ya guys ya. Jadi sebelum pukul 11 pagi itu tentu sudah harus siap. Jadi semua pelanggan datang makan siang dan langsung merasakan, aduh, merasakan semua itu ya guys ya. Dan yang terakhir adalah keramah tamahan. Ya kita lihat bagaimana karyawan ini menyambut dengan sangat baik vlogger yang menyaksikan bagaimana proses pembuatan lemang dari awal hingga sampai akhir dan ada di depan mata. Semua kita lihat bagaimana orang Malaysia di sana begitu sangat sabar dan juga sangat ramah untuk melayani orang-orang yang ada di sana guys ya. Nah itulah memang betul orang Malaysia sudahlah bersih, terampil, ketepatan waktu dan juga keramahan. Keren guys, asli keren. Dan itu juga patut untuk kita contoh, apalagi tentang kebersihannya. Oke, demikian tadi video aku. Semoga video ini bermanfaat bagi kita semua dan aku mohon diri mohon maaf jika ada kesalahan kata, kesan sikap pada Anda semua mohon dimaafkan dan aku akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.